Whoop. As you can tell, I don't have to be super intelligent to be a tiler. No, I'm only fluffing about. But tiling's not like brain surgery. If I make a mistake, well, I can fix it. The other day when I was sheeting, I think I've got a tape in the wall, but it can stay there. I wasn't going to take a sheet off, so it's a little bit different to brain surgery. If I left something in surgery, well, I'd be in trouble. But leaving the tape behind the sheet in the wall, well, no biggie. So people, lean in, watch this. That's my bottom. Go up, mark it, allow for your grout line, because that bottom there is my top when it's cut. It's all pretty plumb and square. I just sort of do that out of habit, I suppose. Mark it like that. Lean in, we'll do it again. Allowing from a grout line, flip it over, allowing from a grout line, whoop, 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 whoop. I'll just put this one on and then I'll click the camera off because I don't want you guys to get bored, and we'll pick up again soon. So I'll just pop this one in. More work. No, sorry, I can't get there. When do you want it? Right now? No, sorry. I have to adjust that one slightly. Just give it a little tweak. All the time you're watching your lines, watching that grout line, all the time. And you try and get it the best you can that's humanly possible. Okay, you guys will be getting bored now. I've just got to tweak that up a tad. See that? That's why you have these little wedges. Just slightly bring it up. Like that. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye.